terrible cyclone with a speed of 260 kilometers per hour created havoc in Orissa on 29th October 1999 for 20 continuous hours. This cyclone was bigger than the one that hit Orissa on the 17th of October 98. This dance of death claimed 10,000 lives. Hundreds of innocent children became orphans. Lakhs were rendered homeless. One can imagine the horrible situation there. Take a look at Bhubaneswar. Relics of fallen trees, houses and long queues waiting for food packets and relief. Factories have vanished. Roads destroyed completely. Rail tracks are completely washed away and the whole communication system has collapsed. Nearly rupees 1,000 crores of property was destroyed. More than 10 districts of Orissa were devastated completely. The districts to suffer most were Kendrapada and Jagatsinghpur. 80% of the people killed were from Ersama Tehsil of Jagatsinghpur. Kharif crops were totally destroyed. 80% of the coconut and betel nut farms fell down. If steps to plant the trees are not taken up on a war footing, the forest management and the green belt of Orissa will be in trouble. The Orissa administration was busy with the relief work in cyclone-affected areas with the help of inadequate facilities at their disposal. No one realized